Is a bloom, shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room, no space to rent in this town. You're out of luck, and the reason that you had to care, the traffic is stuck, and you're not moving anywhere. You thought you found a friend take you out of this place, someone you could lend a hand in return for grace. It's a beautiful day. Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. So let it get away on the road, but you've got no destination in the mud, in the maze of her imagination. Your love is down, even if that doesn't ring true. You've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day, so let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Teach me. I know I'm not a hopeless case. See the world in green and blue. See China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedouin fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful day, so let it get away. Beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Reach me. I know I'm not a hopeless case. What you don't have, you don't need it now. What you don't know, you can feel it somehow. What you don't have, you don't need it now. Don't need it now. It was a beautiful
Tervittätä saa.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them blue for me and you. And I say to myself, what a wonderful world.
keset seda platsi on siin üks ilus sinine lühike seeria 3. Tegu on siis Eestis esimese uunikautode registris võetud autoga, mis on peaaegu 100% taastatud, nii nagu ta ligemale 30 aastat tagasi tehast välja veeres. Nii et võib julgelt käia lähemalt uudistamas, vaatamas seda. Ja kui te näete siin platsi peal liiklusüdes siukest Inglise gentlemani Sony ruudulise vitsakuga, siis võite teda varukas kinni võtta ja lisa küsida. Vairod on hea meelega nõus rääkimist autost. Ja nüüd seal platsiservas, kui vaadata tuulikute poole, on üks vana punane tuletõrje auto. See sai spetsiaalselt kohale toodud selleks, et näidata Eesti kõige vanemat Land Roveriga. Tegu on 1958. aastal valmistatud esimese seeria Land Roveriga, mis on kõigepealt Soomes ja seejärel Eestis Virju Nigulas teeninud siis tuletõrje autona. Eks me pärast mis veel platsi peal? No loomulikult suur punane Timberlandi telk, kus saab läbi astuda, täita ära Timberlandi kliendikaardi kohta avalduse ja klepse ja kõike muid huvitav asju saada. Ja kui te olete nüüd söögitelgist välja astud, siis võib sammult seada ka teisele poole telki, kus on veel Leathermanist teinud väljas ja saab uurida iga Land Roveri inimese unistust ja tõelist head kaaslast Leathermani tööriistu. Sellega on võimalik ükskõik kui suure probleemi korral